Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the LG launcher. Press Home on the remote and look at the Apps row. Once you see Apps, select it to list installed programs because the file manager might be an app rather than a system menu. If you don't see a file manager, make sure Developer or Hidden Apps are enabled in Settings. This exposes more app options. Next, use the directional buttons to scan the list. Identify anything named File Manager, My Files, or Explorer and keep it highlighted. Once the search begins, choose LG Content Store and type File Manager or My Files. This narrows results fast. If LG's store lacks a native tool, install a trusted third-party manager such as Explorer, because these give full folder access. After installation, open the app and grant storage permissions. Without permission, you can't browse USB or internal storage. Make sure to accept prompts for external drives and use the remote's OK button to navigate folders and preview file type. You're ready to browse. Plug a USB drive or connect to a DLNA share, then open the file manager and navigate to the device. Use the context menu to copy, move, or delete files. This is how you transfer media to apps or removable storage. If the manager can't see devices, make sure network sharing is enabled on your PC, then reboot the TV and rescan apps. If problems persist, reinstall the file manager. That often restores missing permissions or broken app links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.